All right, everybody, we're gonna be talking about red stage for a little bit. Now, red stage is kind of like brown stage, where we have to, at the side of the vehicle right here, I'm gonna roll the throttle, yellow, orange stage. Okay, we got somebody right here to my right. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a space cushion. And we are back to yellow stage. Okay, so red stage, what that is, like I said, it's just like brown stage. We have to perform an action. Something just came out at us. You know, that side of the vehicle came out. If they kept going and they stopped in the middle of the road, oh, I gotta do something. I gotta swerve in the next lane. I gotta do something. If I panicked, that's brown stage. Red stage, we did something. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn right. I like turning right. I don't know why I said that, but we're gonna go over this way. Okay, watch out. Orange stage, perfect, ready? Just in case. There we go. Very good. All right, so we gotta yield. Gonna watch out. So while I'm talking to you, so red stage, you know, if a side of the vehicle pops out, okay, we can go. It's a green. You got it. You got it. Yeah. If something pops out, we have to do something. We have to do emergency swerve. We have to do emergency braking. We might have to accelerate to get ourselves out of a spot. We might have to just, you know, switch complete lanes into here and turn left if there's a car that stopped here. Whatever it is, we have to do something to avoid. A lot of it's accident avoidance. People can come out in front of you and you have to avoid them, or you can go towards an object and you have to avoid that object. That's typically what happens in corners, like especially in the mountains. People start to go super duper fast, and what happens is that they go a little too fast for their experience, and when they see like a tree or a big rock or something, they're like, oh, what is that? And they go towards it. No, you start to do that, that's brown stage. You have to pop yourself back into red. You have to do something. So let's pretend right here that there's a vehicle just immediately stopped in front of me, like they're just coming out in front of me. So what I have to do is like, oh crap, red stage, I have to swerve. I have to get myself out of that and then get myself in a better spot. These are things that you're gonna have to practice. It's easier to practice in a parking lot, but what I like to do when I'm out on the road, not like this kind of road, this is some traffic. When I'm out on a road where there's like no traffic, I use the manhole covers. I use potholes in front of me. I see discolorations in the road and I practice my swerves. This person's gonna, almost, I'm gonna turn right. So like right here, we got a manhole cover, oh, swerve around it. You know, manhole cover, oh, swerve around it. And then I gotta start applying the brakes. So red stage, actively avoiding an object and actively avoiding crashing into something by utilizing the skill set that you have practiced in a parking lot. That's what red stage is. Remember, these are just awareness stages. These are things that will get you in that mindset so you're understanding what you should be doing. So we have white stage completely zoned out, yellow stage, we are zoned in, paying attention to what we should be doing. Like right now I'm looking and there's no gravel on the road. We got a vehicle. No, we still got some time. Orange stage, intersections, corners, anything that gives you that gut weird reaction of something might be going on. Just cover those brakes, look for escape paths, do what you need to do. Red stage, we actively have to do something to get ourselves out of danger. We have to swerve, emergency brake it, accelerate super hard. We got a yield arrow right here. Let's go ahead and go. And these are things that will just get you in that mindset, okay? None of it is gonna be telling you exactly what to do. You have to get yourself in that mode. Sport mode, ringing mode, beginner mode, you know, standard mode, all the modes that your bike has. These are the modes for your brain when you're out riding. Okay, guys?